Professor, please explain for us what is Tahara or cleanliness in Islam.
This is an important matter in Islam. Let me explain it for you. What is Tahara? Ritual purity. Tahara is a profound and comprehensive concept in Islam, meaning purity and cleanliness. It's not just about physical hygiene, but also about spiritual purification, preparing us for worship and closeness to Allah. Why is Tahara important? Being in a state of Tahara is essential before performing salah, prayer, touching the Quran, and in some cases, entering a mosque. It symbolizes our respect for Allah and our readiness to stand before Him in a pure state, both outwardly and inwardly. It's a key part of a Muslim's daily life, fostering discipline and mindfulness. Two main aspects of Tahara. 1. Physical purity. This involves cleansing the body, clothes, and place of worship from impurities, like urine, stool, blood, etc. The primary means of achieving physical purity are wudu, ablution, a partial ritual washing from minor impurities, preparing you for prayer. Ghusl, full ritual bath, a full-body ritual washing required after major impurities. 2. Spiritual purity. This relates to purifying the heart from sins, negative thoughts, and ill intentions. While physical purity is achieved through water, spiritual purity is attained through sincere repentance, remembrance of Allah, and good deeds.
Professor, please explain for us how a Muslim can perform wudu, ablution.
This is an important matter in Islam. Let me explain it for you. Wudu is ritual ablution, a spiritual and physical cleansing required before salah, prayer. It's about purifying our body and heart for connection with Allah. This act of purity is a key part of Tahara, a core Islamic concept encompassing both physical cleanliness and spiritual purification. Tahara is essential for prayer and approaching Allah. The essentials of wudu. 1. Intention, niyyah, pure intention in your heart. 2. Say Bismillah, begin in Allah's name. 3. Wash hands, 3 times, to wrists. 4. Rinse mouth and nose, 3 times each. 5. Wash face, 3 times, from hairline to chin, ear to ear. 6. Wash arms, 3 times, right then left, up to elbows. 7. Wipe head and ears, once, from front to back of head, then ears. 8. Wash feet, 3 times, right then left, up to ankles. What breaks wudu? Nullifiers, passing wind, urine, or stool. Deep sleep, where awareness is lost. Loss of consciousness. Any discharge from the private parts other than semen, which requires ghusl, a full ritual bath. Remember, if your wudu breaks, you must perform it again before your next prayer. Wudu washes away minor sins and prepares us to stand before our Creator. Purity brings peace. Now you're ready for salah.
Professor, please explain for us what is the tashahhud or at-tahiyyat in Islam.
This is an important matter in Islam. Let me explain it for you. What is tashahhud? In order to conduct your daily prayers, salah, correctly, you need to know and memorize the tashahhud, as it is a crucial recitation performed while sitting during certain parts of the prayer. Specifically, it is recited while sitting in the final part of your prayer. The Arabic text of tashahhud is At-tahiyyatu lillahi wa salawatu wa tayyibat. Assalamu alayka ayyuhan nabiyyu wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alayna wa ala ibadillahi salihin. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. اللهم بارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. Its meaning and translation. All compliments, prayers, and good things are due to Allah. Peace be upon you, O Prophet, and the mercy of Allah and His blessings. Peace be upon us and upon the righteous servants of Allah. I bear witness that there is no God worthy of worship but Allah, and I bear witness that Muhammad is His servant and His messenger. O Allah, send prayers upon Muhammad and upon the family of Muhammad, just as you sent prayers upon Abraham and upon the family of Abraham. Indeed, you are praiseworthy and glorious. O Allah, send blessings upon Muhammad and upon the family of Muhammad, just as you sent blessings upon Abraham and upon the family of Abraham. Indeed, you are praiseworthy and glorious.